Hey guys, welcome back. So I figured I would try to start vlogging. I used to like a long time ago vlog. My life is really kind of boring. It's not really exciting. So maybe I'll try to like make these weekly vlogs, kind of check in throughout the week. But yeah, so today I filmed two videos. I had a chiropractor appointment this morning and I'm starving right now. I actually didn't really eat much today and it's going on 4 o'clock and I'm getting ready to eat lunch and I am in my pajamas, always in my pajamas. If I don't have to be in normal clothes, then I never am. The bathrobe will be going on soon because I am a little bit chilly. So for lunch, I think normally my go-to has been almond butter and jelly sandwiches, but today I want to do a protein smoothie. When the weather starts to get cold, I kind of stopped doing my protein smoothies with fruit. And I'm like, you know what? I need to start doing them again. I keep buying spinach every week and it's going to waste because I'm not making my smoothies. So I think I'm going to make a smoothie right now for lunch instead of doing my almond butter and jelly sandwiches, which are so good, by the way. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is the smoothie I made. It is spinach, banana, flaxseed, strawberries, blueberries, and my vanilla protein powder and vanilla unsweetened almond milk. But I'm gonna save half of this for my husband when he gets home from work. So I'm gonna pour my half into this cup. And then I wanted to show you like what I have been snacking on that I'm obsessed with. I've just got some like cut up cucumbers and some carrots. But this stuff right here, and sometimes it's sold out, it's the Marzetti Light Ranch Veggie Dip. If I try to eat veggies on like by themselves or even just with regular balsamic vinegar, after a while, like I don't really like to, but dipping it in this, oh my goodness. So this is a really good way to eat veggies. So I think it's like 2 tablespoons of this is 45 calories, which isn't bad, especially if you're just dipping it in. But I've just been obsessed with it. I also do broccoli too. I've been loving that. So while I was showing you the smoothie I made, I was hearing some really weird noises and it's gotta be Koala. I don't know. Koala, where are you, honey? I don't know where she is. I did just feed her. I usually feed her around 3 o'clock. Let me go upstairs because it sounded like a paper bag and she loves paper bags. I don't know. Oh, you know what? I think she went and got into my Bath and Body Works bag. Okay, so I found her. Koala, were you just making noises? She loves to try to get in paper bags, but she must have, I don't know, unless it was a ghost. Do we have ghosts or was that you? She's just taking her afternoon cat nap. I love you. You're such a pretty girl, huh? Say hi to everybody. But anyways, I'm gonna go drink my smoothie. I've got some editing to do and a voiceover to do in a video, and I'm hoping it goes smoothly. Voiceovers are, you know, they might seem like they're easy. That's basically just talking over the video. But yeah, so hopefully that goes smoothly, and then I can have a little bit of time to relax and watch the show I'm currently watching, which is Charmed on Netflix. It's the remake of the older Charmed. It's the one on the CW. It's a really good show. I've also been recording tons of Lifetime movies, even though it's not December yet, but I love Lifetime Hallmark movies. But anyways, Charmed, I'm almost done with the 2nd season, so I kind of wanted to try and finish it up, especially before my husband gets home, because then we watch our show. And the show that me and my husband are currently watching is, and we're probably gonna finish it today because there's only 1 season. What's it called? Evil. It's called Evil. It's got the guy that plays Luke Cage in the Marvel series on Netflix. I don't watch that show, my husband does, but he's in it, and it's basically about, he is like a priest and he works with this psychologist, and these cases, like people think it's demonic and they try to like debunk it if it's demonic or not. I don't know. It's a really good show. So we're watching that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So if this is the last time you see me today, then you will see me a different day. I wanted to show you how our Christmas lights came out. Now it's not completely dark out yet, but it's still pretty warm out, so I wanted to get out here and show you. So as you can see right there, that tree, we wrapped around lights. That's our Abervati. Then we did these 2 pillars, wrapped the lights around. And then this year, and I'll get closer so you can see, but up top we did icicle lights. Last year we did do that. And then up top in the landing, you can see there is a Christmas tree in the window up there. And then I'm gonna kind of walk closer. Actually, first, I wanna show you my neighbor's backyard with their trees. It looks so cool with the blue lights. But this year I actually decided to wrap this lamp right here with pre-lit garland. This pre-lit garland was only like 10 bucks from Walmart, and I think it looks so nice. And then I put this silver ribbon right there, and it's very glittery and sparkly, but I finally got it to stay. So during the day it looks really nice, so I'm really happy with the way that came out. Let me just get a little bit closer so you guys can see what the lights look like. Yeah, so you can definitely see now the icicle lights there. And this was a majority of my husband's work. This is, you know, all the Christmas decorating he does. I'm the indoor girl, he's the outdoor guy. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you guys how everything came out. Hey guys, so it's definitely been a little bit since the last time I vlogged. I don't even know how long it's been, but today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. So while everybody, well, not everybody because everybody's not here yet, but my father-in-law, my husband's dad and his brother, they're outside fooling around with a turkey. While they're out of the house, I wanted to quickly show you how I set up for Thanksgiving. And I'm not going to tell you how many people I'm having because apparently that is a very controversial topic. Kind of ridiculous, but not going to get into that. So yeah, I wanted to show you how I set up everything and what the house looks like before all our guests arrive. I also did cut up, or not cut up, I put together some appetizers. I didn't want to go crazy because we are going to be eating a lot, so I just wanted to show you what the house looks like. Okay, so I have the dining room set up. Now, this garland right here, we are going to just put on the ground behind when we're all going to get ready to eat for dinner. So I have it set for 6, so I'll obviously move these plate settings to each end. And I'll kind of show you what the plate settings look like. And I have a China plate right here, and this is not real silverware, this is plastic silverware, you guys, because it's just less to do in the dishwasher. And then I just have these saucers from Michael, so I think it looks really nice. We've got the Christmas tree back there. Let me turn a light on so it looks a little bit brighter. So yeah, I'll remove the garland once we're ready to eat. It's kind of what it looks like. And then I want to show you what I did for appetizers quickly. I have more coming once other people get here. And there's already been people picking at it, but we've got a charcuterie board, however you want to say it. This is the triangle Parmesan cheese. It's really good. You got grapes, sharp cheddar, the thicker pepperoni, crackers, and almonds. And then I just got some veggies going on. My sister is bringing chicken wing dip. And then over here I have it set. This is where my sister and her fiance and his kids are going to sit. But I'm so proud with the way that these plate settings came out. And then these are from Michael's as well. And then the saucers are from Michael's. And then we've got the Chinette plates with the fake silverware that looks real, so I don't have to put dishes in the dishwasher. And over here we have football on as per usual. Let me turn the lights off so you can see. Just looks so cozy with everything on. Pretty soon this room will be filled up, but I just wanted to show you everything. And also I quickly just wanted to show you, this didn't make my holiday home decor house tour video, but I kind of did this to the stairs just right here. It's simple. I've got that bow. And then this garland I wrapped around is so messy. It's got sparkles everywhere, but I did that there. And then in this corner right here, I just did that right there as well. I figured I would just quickly show you guys. And whenever we have people over the house, Koala stays upstairs because she gets really shy. Hi, honey. Oh, I love her so much, you guys. She's such a good girl. She's 10.5 years old. It's crazy. She misses her brother. We miss Coda, right? We miss Coda. I love you, girl. You're so pretty. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's Black Friday. So Thanksgiving went really well. Everybody had a good time. That's all that matters. But I was cleaning what seemed like all day and all night long. I mean, I kind of do it to myself. I get anxiety. I want everything to be perfect and clean, but I just felt like I was cleaning up all day and all night long. That's what happens when you host. And I mean, honestly, you know, no one really, actually, it was funny because I told my husband a few days before, I'm like, you know, after we eat, can you kind of help me out? Because nobody really volunteers to help clean up. So can you kind of like help me if you see me trying to clean up? And he did, and I was proud of him. My sister, she's pregnant. She did ask me, but I'm like, Danielle, you're pregnant, sit down, thank you, but I got this. But yeah, I mean, you know, and everybody's enjoying themselves, whatever. So that was, you know, everybody had a good time. But that's like, I have a love-hate relationship with hosting because I don't really get to enjoy myself. It's just cleaning. But I did have wine to help me out with cleaning. So yes, Thanksgiving went well. Very delicious food. I've got leftovers to eat today. I actually had some there were two different like chicken wing, or not, well, one of them was a chicken wing dip and another one was like a taco dip, but they're similar. And I was like eating some of that for breakfast today. And yeah, love leftovers after Thanksgiving. So yes, today is Black Friday. I'm excited because my Dyson vacuum is coming. I don't know if I mentioned that yesterday, but I ordered a Dyson vacuum, and when it arrives, I will be sharing it with you and we'll be putting it to the test. Now, I purchased it last week because I saw this deal that they were running on the, what is it, the V7 Absolute. So it's their lowest model, the V7, but it's like the highest of the lowest model because it's the Absolute. Normally, I think it's like $349, so they were running a special for $249. And I wasn't sure if they were going to do this around Black Friday, but I just checked and they are again. So maybe throughout the holiday season, they might run that deal. It'll go back to $349 and then they like mark it down again. So $249 is a really good deal for a Dyson. So I'm super excited. I was going to go with like a different vacuum, but then I kind of did my research and I'm like, you know what? We're gonna go for a Dyson. So when that comes, I'll be sharing it with you guys. So while we are waiting for my Dyson to arrive, I wanted to share this hair treatment that I've been using that I really like. It is by Bray. It is their Bond Angel Bond Fortifier, and this is the number 3. I'm going to show you the bottle in a second. This is a really great hair treatment because it helps to repair bonds that are broken, especially during any kind of chemical process or hair dyeing. So me, I'm a blonde, I get foils, so there's definitely some chemical processes going on. And yes, we all know bleach is not good for the hair. I have used this a couple times, and basically I go in with shampoo and then I apply this. This is what it looks like right there, as you can see. And it says to start at your roots, go to your ends. So I basically apply it all through my hair. I put a shower cap on and I get out for the 15 minutes. I think the other day, I think it was like Wednesday night, I did this and I was folding laundry for the 15 minutes while I was letting this do its magic. Now, what's cool about this is that once you rinse this off, you do not need to apply any heat protectant because you are protected from the heat. I know that sounds crazy, but that's what's really cool about this, because typically any hair mask or treatment or conditioner or whatever, I always go in with a heat protector, but this actually has the heat protectant in it, and it is going to help prevent the damage and help to repair your bonds. So that's why I really like it, and your hair is also really soft afterwards. So it says to blow dry after, but I like to have my hair about like 70 to 80% dry, then I go in with a blow dryer and I'm good to go. And again, I don't need to apply any heat protectant. So I really like this product. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested in this, I will have it linked down below. So look what just got delivered, and Koala is excited about this vacuum as well. Right, Koala? You must be, because you're over here. But anyways, this is the Dyson V7 Absolute, and this was on sale, I think I was already telling you guys, for $249. And this box is really lightweight, so I'm gonna put this together and start vacuuming. Koala, are you gonna help me, honey? Are you gonna help me assemble this? I don't even know. It's probably very easy to put together. So we shall do that. Do you guys see this right now? Koala, what are you doing? She loves boxes. Let's see. Koala, where are you? Like, really? Look at this. Look at this. Holy crap. What are you doing? Like, she lives for this, you guys. This is the Dyson box. What are you doing? Hello? You gonna try to fall asleep in here? Aw. Okay, so it comes 20% charged, so I just wanted to kind of test it out, and I'm gonna let it fully charge. So I just attached this attachment right here, which is basically for kind of like couches, chairs, stuff like that, or small areas where you don't need you know, the big extended part. And I just did this on my couches in my living room. It's just really dark in there because it's a dark and gloomy day. And I used the Chom Chom on it this morning and yesterday, and I didn't think there was anything that it could get. Do you guys see what's in there? This is no joke. I'm like, that was really on the couches because I use the Chom Chom lint roller. You guys know, you've seen my videos, but look at what it picked up. I'm super impressed. So I just want to quickly test this out in my dining room. I cleaned it up last night. It was atrocious in here from dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, but I think I told you guys before, but this chair right here is always turned around for Koala to look outside in the morning. She likes to look at the birds. So typically I have a dish towel here just so it kind of protects the chair because her fur goes everywhere. And even with the Chom Chom, I feel like it's impossible to get all the fur off this. So I wanted to kind of test this out and see what we pick up. So let's go. So do you see, that is Koala's fur. So it definitely was getting stuff that the Chom Chom couldn't get. I am super impressed with this vacuum so far. This is everything that was in the box. So it does come with two bigger attachments. This one right here is going to be for carpets. And then this one right here, since it's kind of like really soft. And honestly, it almost, I don't even know what kind of material. It's almost like a longer felt, like a fluffy felt material, if that even makes sense. This is going to be for hardwoods, and then this one is going to be for carpets. So I do like that this comes with the two attachments because I think the regular V7 did not come with this attachment. I think it didn't come. So this comes with both. And then obviously we've got this attachment right there. And then a couple other attachments. It actually comes with a lot of attachments, and then obviously the extender and the charger. So I'm gonna kind of let this charge, set up the charger, and then we will put it together completely. I just got done doing the hardwood floors downstairs, and then I attached this attachment because that's the regular attachment. I think it's called like the Max motor head or whatever, but this is meant for carpets. I mean, you can use it on hardwoods, but I just want to show you guys. Do you see all that? It's definitely picking up. And what's nice is that, and by the way, that's a lot of Koala's fur, but what's nice is that I'm not using this on the max mode. And in my last vacuum, I always use like the full power or max mode. I've only been using it on the regular mode. As you guys can see, it's just like right there. I wanted to quickly show you guys how this works. You literally just push the button, and it's really not that loud either. My other vacuum, it was a Shark Ultra Pet one or whatever. It was Scare Koala. This one's not nearly as loud, but so far, I really love this. It makes vacuuming so much easier. I don't have to worry about unplugging and plugging, and I'm really happy with it so far. Okay, so do you guys see everything that this picked up? I am super impressed. I use the Max for a little bit. If you want like the really nice lines on your carpet, they're a little faint when you don't use the Max, so I use the Max just for a little bit, but look how much this picked up. Okay, so I quickly just wanted to close out this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed these vlogs. Again, I know, I kind of have a boring life, but if you like these vlogs, I can definitely do more of them. But I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.